Welcome to the next episode of Stevo Crypto. I am Stevo and I love crypto. So, today I would like to go over fundamental analysis with you. This is a trading strategy that is used by professionals. So, I have it pulled up here from Investopedia. I'm not paid by Investopedia or any of these websites that I show you for that matter. I'm just kind of going over cryptocurrency because I really enjoy it. So, and I just want to share it with you. But real quick, I usually do a disclaimer at the beginning of my videos. I think I'm going to stop doing that because that could probably get pretty annoying pretty quick. But I would like to tell you guys, I need to tell you guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not, suggesting doing anything that I'm doing. I'm not suggesting putting your hard-earned money into the cryptocurrency market or anything like that. This your investments are all on you. So I just need to make sure that that is clear in all of my videos. So I don't get sued or something like that. But I do want to go over fundamental analysis with you and what they are and how they can help you in trading crypto if you decide to do that. So, what is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is a method of measuring a security's intrinsic value by examining related economic and financial factors. Fundamental analysis study anything that can affect the security's value, from macroeconomic factors such as the state of the economy and industry conditions to microeconomic factors like the effectiveness of the company's management. So, some examples of that macroeconomic factors could be like the housing market right now. There's a huge housing shortage right now due to the coronavirus. Due to that, companies that deal with real estate, like Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae, other companies that deal with real estate, are being affected by that. The price of lumber has gone up. These are macroeconomic factors that are affecting the real estate market. So microeconomic factors could be, like let's say Elon Musk or one of these big CEOs are moving to another company or starting a new company. These are fundamental microeconomic factors that you can look at that could indicate some possible growth in these companies. So, just a couple examples of what fundamental analysis is. So we're gonna get a little deeper into this. I'm gonna pull up this other website here that I got, and this is academy.binance.com. By the way, again, not paid, just letting you know where I'm at. This article is a guide to cryptocurrency fundamental analysis, so you guys can check it out. I can link it below as well. At the beginning here, I kind of went over this website before I pulled it up. It goes over something really important, the problem with crypto fundamental analysis, and that's kind of what I was saying at the beginning of this. Companies in crypto are just different, and it kind of goes over that a little bit. So, some takeaways from this. I don't want to just read this whole thing and whatnot, but cryptocurrencies can't really be assessed through the same lens as traditional businesses. So, I mentioned that, and basically, this is saying if anything, the more decentralized offerings like Bitcoin are closer to commodities. So, such like lumber, oranges, gold, silver, stuff like that. So, basically, it's saying we need to turn our attention to different frameworks. And, in this guide to cryptocurrency fundamental analysis, it's different framework. It kind of goes over really a lot of information on technical analysis, which we'll go over in a future, probably the next video. So, it's talking about on-chain metrics. So, on-chain metrics are those that can be observed by looking at data provided by the blockchain. So this is looking at historical data, and basically that's the definition of technical analysis. But yeah, again, this is a little off in my opinion. But anyways, we'll take a peek at this. On-chain metrics are those that can be observed by looking at the data provided by the blockchain. We could do this ourselves by running a node, so we could, be a node for the blockchain, and then export the data. So that can be time-consuming and expensive, and this is absolutely true, guys. Imagine trying to download the Bitcoin blockchain. The thing is massive. It is stored on millions of computers all over the place, and it would take you forever to download, and then you probably wouldn't be able to even open the file because it's so huge. So particularly if we're only considering an investment, we're not going to spend all that time and all the resources on doing that. So a more straightforward solution, this is saying, is to pull the information from websites or APIs specifically designed for the purpose of informing investment decisions. And it gives a couple examples here. So if you're not familiar with APIs, programmers use APIs to talk to other computers, and you can send data. Basically, it's how Facebook and how the internet works. It's all run on different APIs. So you can send data to different databases with APIs. You can pull information from APIs, and apparently it looks like there's some APIs you can pull crypto information from. So if you're interested in doing that, but again, this is all historical data. It looks like that you're pulling from these APIs, which is technically technical analysis. So transaction count, transaction value, all of these, transaction count, volume. That's your volume in stocks, and that is a technical indicator. Transaction value, again, technical analysis. So we'll go over these a little more in the next episode on technical analysis. So down a little further, we actually do get into some fundamental analysis of cryptocurrency. The white paper, a white paper being one, and it's saying it's highly recommended that you read the white paper of any project before investing. So it's a technical document, basically just going over the project, its uses, its technology. Is it open source? Meaning, are programmers able to, other programmers that are not a part of the team able to add to it, make it better, create new uses for it. The roadmap for upgrades and new features. So a lot of cryptocurrencies, they're coming out and they don't even really have any use cases, but they have a roadmap showing, hey, this is what we're planning on doing with this. So that's a definitely something to look at. The supply and distribution scheme for the coins or the tokens. So, how many coins are being made? How many are going to be available when they have all been mined? It's a big factor. It actually affects the market cap for these coins. So, and it's saying it's wise to cross-reference this information with discussions of the project. What are the people saying about it? Are there any red flags raised? Do the goals seem realistic? So that is one of the fundamental factors there. The team being another. What team is building, or what team built the blockchain? And many times we're not even going to know the team. Maybe there's a lot of newcomers. A lot of people creating these that you probably have never even heard of. But at the same time, there's teams as well. Facebook created their own crypto. Amazon created theirs, or these other companies start creating theirs. These are factors to look at, because Amazon's team's huge. They have really good programming team. So competitors. So what are some of the competitors that are there? That have some of the same use cases. Like, how are they doing? is another strong fundamental analysis to look at. So that's all I have to go over today with you guys. There's a little more on fundamental analysis. Definitely check out the website, academybinance.com. If you guys are more interested in this information here, there's still some left here. But I just kind of want to go over the basics of fundamentals with you today and give you an idea how I can help you guys. So if you like the video, please subscribe. I'm going to leave some links below for Coinbase, Robinhood. So if you're new to crypto, you're interested in investing, you'd like to check it out, you can hop on those links and get free currency. Get free currency, $10 in Coinbase for joining the link below, or you can get a free share on Robinhood. You can turn around and sell for currency for signing up on that one as well. So definitely check those out if you're interested. If you liked it, again, please subscribe. Thanks for your support, and I will see you on the next video.